Most elevator company owners are losing lakhs a year and can't even see where. It's hiding in the AMC book. Your AMC book should be the safest money in your business. Same customers every year, like clockwork. So let me ask you one simple question. Does the money you actually collect ever match what your AMC book says you should be earning? For most elevator companies, it doesn't. And that gap, the difference between what you are owed and what you bank, is the single most expensive thing in your business that nobody can see. Hi, I'm Sumeet Katariya, founder of ElevatorPlus. We work with more than 200 companies across 20 different countries, and I can tell you the leak is almost always in the same three places. Leak number 1, renewals that lapse silently. The AMC expires, nobody sends the reminder because the reminder lives in someone's diary, and that customer isn't going to chase you to take their own money. Why would they? 3 months later you notice. That's a quarter of a year revenue gone on a contract you had already won. Leak number 2, visits done but never billed. Your technician attends a call, does the work, closes it in his head. The job is complete on site, but it never becomes an invoice. Multiply one missed billing a week across a year and across a team of technicians, and you are giving away lakhs in free service. Leak number 3, payments that age and nobody follows up. The invoice went out, it's overdue, but nothing is flagging it. So it just sits, cash you earned parked in someone else's account. Here is why all three stay invisible. In most elevator companies, the contract lives in one place, the service history in another, and the invoice in the third. Nothing connects them. And if nothing connects them, no single person can ever see the whole. You feel it. The numbers are tighter than they should be, but you can't put your finger on it. So let's plug it. The fix is a system I call 60-30-0. 60 days before an AMC expires, your team gets an automatic reminder to start the renewal conversation. At 30 days, a customer gets a renewal notice professionally and automatically. And at 0 days, if it still hasn't renewed, it becomes a red flag on owner's dashboard. Not a forgotten line in the spreadsheet. A red flag you cannot miss. And underneath all of that, every single service visit is linked to a billable record. The technician closes the job, the system knows it's billable, and it does not disappear. With this done means invoice raised. No exceptions, no memory required. So what happens when you do this? I'll give you the pattern rather than a sales line. We have onboarded a multi-branch operator who were losing a significant portion of their renewals every year to silent lapses. And once renewals stopped depending on memory, that leak essentially closed. And we work with the companies that have been in this business for 3 decades, who, after digitizing, now run their entire AMC book with effectively zero leakage. The contracts didn't change, the visibility did. So here is what I want you to do today, and you don't have to take my words for any of it. Pull your AMC count, multiply it by your average contract value. Now compare that number to what you actually collected last year. That gap, that's your leak. If you would like, we'll do exactly that with you on your own real data. We call it a revenue leak walkthrough. We'll show you where the money is escaping and what it takes to seal it. The link is right below this video. I'm Sumeet Katariya. Plug the leak. It's the cheapest growth you will ever find.